Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a daily furniture cutout on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the cutout button next to the logo option at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and you can find it, the daily furniture cutout, and just select a template and new you can edit. If you want to add the text to your project, click to the text button at the lower left corner of the screen, write your text, and if you finish, click to the Done button. In the font section you can find the different font type and just select one, and if you want to change the color of your text, click to the color section and just select another color. If you want to change the picture or add pictures and graphic elements to your project, click to the graphic section, and in the symbol section you can find the different graphic elements, and in the photo section you can upload images from your device. In the doodle section, select a color and new you can draw on your project. If you go to the brush section, you can find the different objects. For example, click to the stars option, and new you can add stars to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.